Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a kind-hearted rabbit named Ruby. Ruby loved to help others and was always cheerful. One sunny day, she noticed a sad little bird named Benny sitting alone on a branch. Ruby hopped over and asked what was wrong. Benny explained that he had lost his way home. Ruby smiled warmly and offered to guide him back. As they journeyed together, Ruby shared stories and made Benny laugh. Finally, they reached Benny's nest, and his family joyfully welcomed him back. Benny thanked Ruby for her kindness and learned the importance of helping others. They became the best of friends, reminding everyone that a little kindness can make a big difference. Thank you.